Hi everyone, welcome to WhatsApp tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about what are the basic message types on WhatsApp Business API. It includes text, image, audio, and file. So for these four types of basic message types, it is very important to understand what they can do so that you can design the best messaging experience in your chatbot building. So now I'm going to demonstrate with a quick example. First, I'm going to share with you some of the sample message types, including image, text, file, and audio. So first message types I'm going to text is image. As you can see here, you have the thumbnail, you can also have a caption, and you can also download the media. Second, I'm going to test with a text message. Text message is the most basic type of messages, so it's going to reply you with some words. File is can be a PDF or a Word doc. It will show you the file name here and also a preview, and also inside you will have a caption on top. Then I'm going to show you the audio. So I type audio, and then the chatbot will send out an audio message. The audio message is the same one that you can expect to be sent in personal WhatsApp. So you can play the file. So these are the message types that you can build on a WhatsApp Business API chatbot. Now I'm going to discuss more about how you can set it up in our response. So here is a chatbot building workspace. And now I'm going to show you image. So I select on an image tree node, and inside the tree node there is responses. So this is the one I have already created. So it is very easy. In here, the drop down, you just find out the image message type and then select it. After you select it, you can input the caption and also most importantly the URL. And the URL, you can select it from the media library, where you can also upload a file. Apart from that, you can also use media ID here. You can type the media ID here. And the way to generate it is to go to the media uploader and then upload it here. So for details, we are going to explain it in a separate video. But now you know how to create where to create a media ID. So after creating a media ID, just go back to the response and paste it here. Then the file will be sent out faster. The next message type I'm going to show you is text. So I selected the text tree node, and I'm opening the response builder. And then in the response builder, the first message type is actually text. So you can just type anything to change the text. Then the next message type is file. So I'm selecting the file tree node, and then here I'm clicking the response for file. And then here you can see there's a caption that you can add. You can add file names and also use URL or media ID to upload. Again, if you are using media ID, then the file will be sent out faster. Secondly, next I'm choosing the audio. So for the audio, it is quite simple and direct. You just upload with the link, or you can use media ID again. So these are the basic message types on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining the tutorial. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.